Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have a Microsoft Word document with an unwanted page border, you are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to remove it in just a few clicks. There are two easy methods to do this. Let's start with the fastest one. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Design tab. Once you are in the Design tab, look towards the far right side of the ribbon and click on Page Borders. A new window will pop up called Borders and Shading. Make sure you are on the Page Border tab. Under the Settings section on the left side, simply click on the option that says None. Click OK at the bottom of the window and your page border will instantly disappear. If your version of Word is set up differently and you do not see the Design tab, you can use Method 2. Go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. In the Paragraph section, find the Borders icon. It looks like a small square window. Click the small downward arrow right next to it. Scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and select Borders and Shading. Just like before, click on the Page Border tab, select None from the settings on the left and hit OK. That is it. Your document is now clean and border-free. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.